The United Nations launched the Sustainable Development Goals in 2015 and immediately named business as a vital partner, asking companies everywhere to contribute. And many corporations have done just that. Seems simple, right? But a longitudinal analysis of the World Business Council for Sustainable Development, or WBCSD, uncovered that corporate endorsement of the goals resulted from a much longer and messier process. This process contravenes existing research that suggests sustainability collaborations generally unfold linearly over time after parties decide on a common goal. Instead, WBCSD's endorsement resulted rather haphazardly and was triggered by three mechanisms. First, both the WBCSD and the UN use the same scientific information, the Planetary Boundaries Framework, to guide their sustainability visions. This helped build common understanding of sustainability challenges, despite the different norms, values, and epistemologies operating in these professional sectors. Second, the WBCSD's leadership embraced disequilibrium, purposefully shaking up its organization instead of maintaining the status quo. Change was the only constant in the process. This caused disharmony at times, but leaders recognized when enough was enough. Third, relationships matter. The WBCSD, UN members, and sustainability scientists performed boundary-spanning work, sparking relationships and forming strong bonds across societal sectors. Data shows that rather than leaving social relationships to chance, leaders can purposefully create the organizational conditions necessary to increase the overall chances of serendipitous relationships. Wonder how different organizations come together to change the world? If so, you may want to read this paper.